Hello guys, good to have you back for another video. So let's reset my car. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can enter the iDrive hidden menu of a BMW F series. Let's start right away. First, go to with this knob over here. Go to my vehicle, press it, enter it, and you'll see that this one is the owner, is the last menu of this area. What you need to do to enter the hidden menu is press menu once, then press and hold the knob to the front 10 seconds. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Then 3 turns to the right, 3 turns to the left, 1 to the right, 1 to the left, 1 to the right again, and press this one. Then go back to my vehicle area and you'll see this menu is now available for us. This wasn't available before we did this trick. Press it, have a look around. Don't change any options you don't know about. That's my advice. I don't know if there is anything you can change. Have a look around. Use the comment area to give what you think about these options.
Navigation is not active.
Like this. Please note. To leave this area, you need to leave the car, have it locked for about 1 minute, and you'll see that the surface menu over here will disappear. That was it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit the like button if you like our videos. Subscribe to enter more futures and more videos on our channel. And hope to see you next time with another video. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.